we're now going to take a look at how the CHeKT portal can assist an operator handle a PA activation within Sentinel. So looking at the normal operator queue, that PA activation has just come in. Our operator can go ahead and click on that and accept this alarm activation. We'll open up the Sentinel record. We'll also open up the CHeKT portal, which will give us the pre-recorded images and the live images of this alarm activation. So we can see we've got the detection overlay marked on here. This is just to drag the operator's eye to the area of interest if there's potentially multiple PA buttons in an area. We can hide that information if that information is in the way of the operator making a decision on this activation. Now once again we can push this out to the end user, as there doesn't seem to be much happening in this scenario. We can send that verification message out to the end user. The end user will get the text message in that mobile phone screen mirror that's just been dragged in, and they can give feedback on what they want to do with this activation. So now that's been sent out, we'll close the CHeKT portal. We'll also suspend this activation within Sentinel, and that'll put it back into a suspended alarm queue. Now as the end user goes forward and clicks on the text message, once again we'll open up the CHeKT portal, which will show the visual verification of why this activation has come in. So our end user will be able to see the pre-recorded images, and we'll also be able to see the live images of what's happening on this site. Now on here we've got a countdown timer, which is just a blue flashing icon which says we've got roughly 80 seconds to make a decision on what we want to do with this activation. Now what we're going to do with this one is we're going to leave it with no response. So eventually this will time out, and we'll show you how we'll push a no response back into the Sentinel platform and how Sentinel will handle that. So as we now get towards the end of this countdown timer, this is a predetermined time from the installation. We'll see that we'll get a no response will show in the CHeKT portal. Now what you'll also see is that activation will come out of the suspended alarm queue and will be represented in the operator queue, so the operator can now click on this to handle this activation. Opening up the Sentinel record, we can see exactly what the operating procedure is for this site. We can also go to the media links, click on the media link, and that will take us to the CHeKT portal, so the operator can see the visual verification, what's caused the activation, and then what's happening live on that site to this moment in time. He can then make the decision on what should happen with that alarm activation.